Okay, let's get this party started. Just a quick, stream. My longer stream will be on Monday. So let me just get everything set up here. We do need to look, but yeah. So with that being said, let me add that window in here. Every single day, 11 p.m. Central Time, Saturdays and Mondays. So I guess today's 8 p.m. It's a little bit earlier because my work is interfering with this. But anyways, I go live every single Saturday and Mondays, usually at 11 p.m. Central Time. If it's another time, I'll let you guys know in the Telegram and through my trading group. By the way, just a reminder, we do have a trading group which you can join on Patreon, or you can join it through my YouTube, which then the link to join Patreon is there. But yeah, I give you all my trade updates and everything every single day throughout the day, depending on what's going on. Some days more than others. But yeah, so right now, crypto fear, we're still in fear at 39. But remember, I think the lowest we were was 16. So market's still a little scared. They're still worried we're going to put another low in, which I think is still on the table unless we put a higher high in above. Well, above this key level right here on Bitcoin, which was 62,736. I can tell you right now that was the most recent wick high. I'm going to see. I don't watching kind of closely. Is 1 week on the weekly. This is a stock time frame, which is currently sitting basically at $38,000. So the weekly time frame, if you just look at the weekly, is extremely bull, and you are currently the all-time high. Your most recent low, or the most recent lower here, which I believe is happening again, then I definitely see. So we know until we either get a break to 70,000, but that's what I'm looking at. If Bitcoin does want to break out of this falling wedge or bull pennant on the time frame, your measure move, as far as I can see, would be 93,000 and $26. But that is the measure move for Bitcoin on the weekly. So just the weekly right now, if you just go off the weekly time frame, it is bullish to me. It does look good on the weekly time frame, but obviously you have to look at every time. Look at 3 days. The 3 day time frame right now is at 50 on the stock. It's at 40 on the stock RSI. I still think even the 3 day time frame is bullish. It still looks bullish to me, but the measure move is gonna still remain the same around that $90,000 level. Technically, what I see is you're like in the middle from the top and the bottom of the channel. I could see a little bit more of a rise back to the top. Let's see what happens. Let's go down to the 2 day time frame with bounce on the stock RSI and ready to go back to the top of the channel. And the weekly or the 2 day wants to test back that $70,400 level. So now let's go down to the daily. So far, I'm liking what I'm seeing on Bitcoin. Again, at that $70,000 region, 70,400. And you have to break on the daily time frame. You have to get back with the 200-day moving average, which is currently $62,100. So that is your next resistance on the daily. If you break that, that's a very good start. Then your next real resistance would be the top of the channel up there around 60. That's a very good start. Then your next real resistance would be the top of the channel up there around 64, 65,000. And remember, weekly resistance that is down to sketchy right now on the 12-hour time frame. And the 200-day move 4,200. So again, Bitcoin has good resistance at the top of this channel around to get above it. What I do like on the smaller time frames is we are making a bull pennant, bull flag, falling wedge, whatever you want to call it. So the 4-hour time frame for me, 8-hour time frame look good. 8-hour is overbought though, so be cautious. The 6 hours overbought. I'm going to go down to the 4-hour. Like I said on my last video when we looked at this chart, the 4-hour time frame is in a measure move of that bull pennant is $68,627. if we go down to the 1 hour time, ever so slightly higher lows being put in. And if we can make a higher high above $61,600 on the 1 hour time frame, weekly time frame. Um, so that's kind of what I'm looking at. I gotta say, I definitely see more upside coming for Bitcoin on the small time frames like tonight, 1,600. We'll call it for a higher high. If we do that, I do see a bullish market up. So I don't know, man. Six and I moved back down to 3.5 extra. I let me know. Yeah, I want to see the entire. I was at first, but when markets so I probably Sunday I'm gonna buy because I do see more. Wait till tomorrow to buy because I just buy every single new high up to 3.5. I'm gonna post this to my trading group right now. So Orca to 3.5 is a move. I guarantee you. I can't guarantee you, but I think it's city. I'd be taking profit around 3.5. That might be a psychological, resistance, right? But usually per coin to trade high up to 3.5 ish portfolios. With that being said, I'll be back live Monday, 11 p.m. Central Time. Yeah, that's kind of my market update for this weekend. Again, thank you for the likes, and Alicia, thank you. You're welcome. So again, that's what we got going on in the markets. I see no requests. I'm going to end the stream, and it's a quick stream, I know, but I'll be back live Monday, 11 p.m. Central Time. So until then, trade safe. Have a great weekend. And again, I do see more upside coming for Bitcoin short term. If Bitcoin can make a new high above $61,600, that's the key level to break tonight. And frankly, if we break that, I'll probably take along on Bitcoin. I'll definitely post it in my trading group. But if that has an opinion, that's just what I'm looking at in the market. I'll leave it at that. I'll see you guys in 2 days at 11 p.m. Central Time for our next live stream. Until then, have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys in a few days. All right, and the stream.